Hey guys, Maddie here from Lucas Check with Maddie. Holy moly! This is a storm! Didn't know storms can get this bad in Michigan. We're covered by lakes, so I'm just gonna record this for like a little bit. I didn't know that. That was the loudest, scariest thunder I've ever heard, and the scariest lightning. Are you sure this is not a supercell? Just joking. Supercells, probably not gonna be tornadoes. November, tornadoes, very rare. Michigan, very rare again. Oh, it's cold. Oh, okay, let's record this. Yeah, it's dark. It's like, what time is it? It's only 7 o'clock. See, just listen. Here come, yeah, cover your ears. Oh! I always wanted to know what lightning and thunder were arguing about. I'm recording the storm. I have to record the storm. It's gonna go viral. What? I'm recording. Oh, that's fun. I've heard people they went to the hospital for it. Some guy, he got... Listen. Just listen. I guess that's enough for this video.